The automotive world is full of extraordinary creations, but every so often, a machine emerges that goes beyond ordinary customization and enters the realm of sheer extravagance. The Mansory Gronos P820 is one such masterpiece, a heavily reimagined version of the Mercedes-AMG G63 that turns an already iconic luxury SUV into a rolling statement of excess, power, and individuality. With meticulous attention to detail, engineering enhancements, and a bold visual presence, the Gronos P820 is an SUV that commands attention wherever it goes. At its heart, the Gronos P820 is based on the Mercedes-AMG G63, a vehicle renowned for its blend of luxury and raw performance. However, Mansory, the German tuning company famous for pushing the boundaries of automotive design, has taken the G63 and transformed it into something truly unique. The name Gronos itself has become synonymous with Mansory's flagship G-Class projects, and the P820 moniker indicates the immense power hidden beneath its aggressive exterior. Let's begin with the most striking aspect: the design. The Mansory Gronos P820 wears a full carbon fiber widebody kit, which immediately separates it from the standard AMG G63. This extensive use of forged carbon fiber not only reduces weight, but also delivers a futuristic, almost artistic look to the SUV. The muscular fender flares, redesigned bumpers, and a sculpted hood with functional air intakes contribute to both aesthetics and performance, channeling air more efficiently for engine cooling. Up front, a redesigned grille with vertical slats, integrated LED lighting, and carbon fiber detailing makes the vehicle appear far more aggressive than its factory counterpart. The roof-mounted lights add another layer of intimidation, making the SUV look ready for anything, whether it's cruising through a city skyline or tackling rugged terrain. From the side profile, the Gronos P820 showcases massive forged alloy wheels, available in up to 24 inches, wrapped in high-performance tires. These wheels fill out the widened arches perfectly and are complemented by carbon side skirts that visually lower the stance. At the rear, the modifications are just as dramatic. A new carbon fiber spare wheel cover, a roof spoiler, and a reworked bumper with an integrated diffuser complete the transformation. Quad exhaust tips, finished in black or chrome depending on the buyer's preference, hint at the beastly performance hidden within. Every angle of the Mansory Gronos P820 screams bespoke craftsmanship and presence. Of course, design is only one part of the story. Mansory has also ensured that the Gronos P820 delivers serious performance. Under the hood lies the AMG-sourced 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, but it has been significantly upgraded by Mansory's engineers. The result is a staggering output of 820 horsepower and 1,050 Newton-meters of torque. This massive power upgrade allows the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds, an astonishing feat for a vehicle that weighs over 2.5 tons. The top speed is electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour, which is more than enough for a vehicle of this size and class. To handle this immense performance, Mansory has fine-tuned the suspension and braking systems. The SUV features sport-tuned dampers for improved cornering stability while retaining comfort, ensuring that despite its aggressive character, it remains a practical and usable luxury machine. The exhaust system, specially developed by Mansory, not only enhances performance, but also produces a deep, thunderous sound that reflects the SUV's character perfectly. It's the kind of roar that makes people turn their heads long before the Gronos P820 comes into view. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior of the Mansory Gronos P820 is as bold as its exterior. Almost every surface has been reupholstered or reimagined with premium materials, from soft leather with unique quilting patterns to Alcantara and, of course, exposed carbon fiber. Customers have nearly endless customization options when it comes to colors, stitching, and materials. Whether one desires a stealthy, blacked-out cabin or a vibrant mix of exotic hues, Mansory caters to the most ambitious imaginations. Details such as bespoke seats with perforated leather, illuminated door sills, and a redesigned steering will add to the sense of exclusivity. Even the smallest elements, such as the pedals, air vent surrounds, and seat controls, receive Mansory's signature touch. The cabin is more than just luxurious, it is a showcase of individual expression, ensuring that no two Gronos P820s are ever exactly alike. Technology, of course, remains state-of-the-art. Since the SUV is based on the Mercedes-AMG G63, it retains the advanced MBUX infotainment system with dual widescreen displays for the driver and passenger. These displays offer customizable graphics and intuitive control over navigation, media, and connectivity features. Combined with a premium surround sound system, ambient lighting, and comfort-enhancing functions like massaging seats, the Gronos P820 maintains the practical luxury expected from a top-tier SUV despite its radical transformation. Beyond the looks, performance, and luxury, the Mansory Gronos P820 represents something bigger: exclusivity. Mansory produces its vehicles in very limited numbers, often tailored to the specifications of wealthy clients who demand individuality. This exclusivity adds to the SUV's allure, ensuring that it remains a rare sight on the road. Owning a Gronos P820 is not simply about having one of the fastest or most powerful SUVs. It is about owning a piece of automotive art that reflects personal taste and status. In the world of luxury SUVs, competition is fierce, with names like Bentley Bentayga, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and Lamborghini Urus all offering extraordinary combinations of comfort and performance. However, the Mansory Gronos P820 carves its own path. Unlike those factory-built machines, it offers a level of personalization and audacity unmatched by traditional manufacturers. It appeals to those who want something beyond refinement and elegance, something that makes an unmissable statement. Of course, such exclusivity and craftsmanship come with a significant price tag. Depending on specifications and customization choices, the Mansory Gronos P820 can easily cross the $500,000 mark, sometimes significantly more. Yet, for the clientele that seeks this kind of vehicle, price is rarely the deciding factor. Instead, it is the uniqueness, the boldness, and the sense of owning something truly one of a kind that makes the Gronos P820 irresistible. To summarize, the Mansory Gronos P820 is not just a tuned SUV, it is the ultimate expression of what happens when performance, luxury, and bold design collide. From its 820 horsepower V8 engine and blistering acceleration to its full carbon fiber widebody design and lavish interior, every aspect of this vehicle exudes extravagance. It is a creation meant for those who refuse to blend in, who want to stand out in the most spectacular way possible. For some, the Mansory Gronos P820 might seem excessive, perhaps even over the top. But for others, the few who seek the extraordinary, it is the perfect automotive companion. It symbolizes freedom, individuality, and the courage to drive something that is as much an artwork as it is a machine. In a world where many luxury SUVs compete for attention, the Gronos P820 doesn't just participate, it dominates the stage unapologetically and magnificently.